Hi guys, just going to show you the interface as you'll see it. I've recorded two videos already. I did it through the admin login, so it's going to be a bit confusing. There's lots and lots of options there. So what I'm just going to show you is how to log in, what you need to do, what to touch, what not to touch. It's not that complicated, but hey, let's just go through that now. So first of all, I'm going to go to ihbc.who/wp-admin, and it will take you to the login screen, hopefully. Yep, there you go. And then obviously enter your username and password, which you'll get separately. I don't want the world seeing this. So we're going to log in, and then you'll come into the dashboard. And as you'll see on the side, you've got a very much of a cut down version. You can't get into the themes, you can't get into the code, you can't get into the plugins or anything like that. So it's very simple. So what I want you to do and what to ignore. So first of all, posts, you can't make a post, so there's no point in looking at it. Media, don't use that. Absolutely no need to at all. Okay. Links, again, no need to use that. Absolutely nothing there for you. Pages, you do need to use. Now, ignore this PageMash one. I'll show you what it is, but you'll see that in your login, you can't use it anyway, so it's a little bit pointless. So, for example, if I went to, I don't know, useful links, it'll tell me, or it should tell me, if I haven't got permission. You're not allowed to edit this item. So there's not much point in using it. So all you're seeing is a lot of information that you can't access. So what I would look at is just all pages. Okay, and that will show you the ones that you have got access to. Now, when you're going to upload photos into the gallery, these are the four galleries: social, business, outdoors and charity. The other video will actually explain in detail how to do that. But what I do want to show you is when you do add an image, you do it through here, add gallery images. So you'd click add gallery images. And you can either upload to an existing one if you've already created one, or add a new gallery. So in this case, if you was going to do, for example, another IHBC walk, you would do IHBC walk, Buddha Hills, and the date, and that would be a new gallery. And then you'd upload the pictures into that gallery, and it's called gallery. You could also call it an album, so it's the same thing. Okay, so that's quite simple. And manage gallery, I think it's self-explanatory. Shows you what's in there. So if you wanted to, if you found some more pictures that you wanted to put in into that particular event, you can always go into there and have a look what's in there, and then say, oh, there's a couple missing, and put them in. So I think it's basically a bit of common sense in there. Whatever you do, don't delete them. I'll manage that for you. Okay. So that's that. Comments, I'll manage those. Most of it is spam, unfortunately. So I have a quick look. I mean, you have got access to us, but there's not much point. But just in case something does come in, but quite frankly, it's not a blog. We're not using it for that. So what I will do is just select all of those, bulk action, move to trash, apply, and that'll be in the trash bin. So that's gone, good. Events, you've actually only got a few settings here, and I'll go into the other video, goes into how to add events and everything else. So that's all self-explanatory. Anything that's missing, I'll probably make another video, but I'm not going to go through it again now. Okay, contact, do not go in there. Please do not delete it, otherwise you can lose all your forms. I'm not sure why this is still showing. I'm going to try and see if I can remove it from the menu, but unfortunately at the moment it's still there. So just please don't delete it. I'll be very upset because this is the short codes that run those forms. Okay. Appearance, again, you can't do anything with it. Okay, it's all blanked and greyed out, so it's a bit pointless. Again, I don't know why it's there, but hey, Profile is your profile. Again, it's a shared profile for all directors. So again, please don't change it. Don't change the passwords, or everybody's going to be in a little bit of a sticky place because they can't get access to it. So just leave it as it is. Tools, nothing in there in the gallery. So that's it. I mean, it's fairly cut down, fairly straightforward. There's not too much to it. So basically to recap, all you really need to look at is pages, all pages, events, add an event, locations, bookings, that kind of thing. And the third and final thing is gallery. And that's all you need to use. So very, very simple. Anyway, hope it's helpful. Any questions, give me a shout, call me or email me. Thanks very much.